Simulation 020. Updating the skybox. If Earth had rings like Saturn, the first thing you'd notice is the beauty. A massive arch of ice and rock dominating the sky, day and night. Night would no longer exist. The rings reflect so much sunlight that midnight would look like twilight. You could read a book outside at 3 a.m. At the equator, the rings would be a thin, razor-sharp line cutting the sun in half. But as you move north, the arch gets wider and higher. But beauty has a price. In the winter, the rings would cast a massive shadow over the hemisphere. Days would be plunged into darkness. Temperatures would plummet. Space travel would be impossible. The rings are a field of debris moving at 20,000 miles per hour. Any satellite we launch would be shredded instantly. And gravity is patient. Eventually, the rings become unstable. The sky begins to fall. It wouldn't be a meteor shower. It would be a meteor storm that lasts for centuries. The beautiful arch becomes a ring of fire. We would be forced underground. The sky is no longer a view. It is a hazard. Simulation. Result. Look, but don't touch. Enjoy the dark. End log.